Saif Ali Khan has defended himself and revealed why they were spotted without masks recently. The actor, who has had 2 box office successes last year after a long dry spell at the box office, seems to be in great spirits again. But recently, the Nawab and his Begum Kareena came under criticism when they stepped out for a walk with Prince Taimur and were spotted without their niqabs. A few weeks ago, Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan were trolled by netizens on social media as the news spread that the two of them had stepped out without wearing masks at Marine Drive and that the police had to come and tell them that they have to wear masks and that kids are not allowed outside yet. Saif Ali Khan has offered an explanation for their actions and said that they had not broken any rules and that the entire story was misreported. आखिर क्या हुआ था? Let's find out. The trio was spotted at Marine Drive, where they seemed to be taking a walk without their masks, and internet trolls had a field day after photos and videos emerged of them being told by cops that kids were not allowed outdoors. After this, Saif and Taimur have been seen outdoors but with their masks on every time. And the actor, who will be soon seen in the sequel to Bunty Aur Bubbly with Rani Mukherjee, has now clarified in an interview about what really happened that day. When asked कि आखिर वो क्यों बिना मास्क के बाहर गए and why they were spotted without masks in public, Saif said that the whole incident had been reported incorrectly. After staying indoors for several months, they had only stepped out to give Taimur a break since he had been home for a very long time. Saif का कहना है कि तीनों मास्क पहने हुए थे, लेकिन जब उन्होंने देखा that the area was empty और आसपास कोई नहीं था, उन्होंने अपने मास्क उतारे only for a few minutes. लेकिन जब वहां भीड़ बढ़ने लगी, they wore their masks and left immediately. Defending himself and his family, the actor said, "But as soon as we saw there were people and were told children were not allowed out, we put on our masks and drove away. That was not reported, but it's a fact that we have been responsible, law-abiding citizens and stayed home all through the lockdown and even now only interact with a few family members." Saif and Kareena have been indoors for almost 4 months now, and Kareena frequently shares images from their lockdown diaries where they have been spending time together, painting, gardening, doing art and craft projects with Taimur, and spending time together reading and relaxing, while also setting a new fashion trend of kaftans and crisp white kurtas. Saif was filming the Bunty Aur Bubbly sequel when lockdown was announced, और Kareena's shoot for Lal Singh Chadda was also interrupted by the pandemic and extended lockdown. Both are waiting to resume filming and looks like सब parents की तरह they too have to find new ways to keep their kid entertained while remaining indoors as much as possible.